Editing videos used to take people very much time, cutting clips, adding subtitles, finding the right music, synchronizing each and everything properly. Now there are AI tools which doing almost all of them in just less than a minute. And honestly, most people still have no idea how crazy these tools have become. Look at this. Now you can type something very simple like this: make me a short video about luxury cars. Then the AI starts doing everything by itself, doing script, voiceover, captions, visuals, transitions, all done automatically. So some creators are literally learning full pages just using tools like this. So here are some of the AI tools that people are secretly using right now. We have the CapCut AI. Yes, it automatically edits reels and adds captions. Also we have InVideo AI, which turns the text into the full videos instantly. Also we have the Pictory, which creates a video from the scripts or the articles. Also there is a Runway AI, which generates cinematic AI clips and the effect. But also we have the HeyGen, which creates a realistic AI avatars that talks like humans. And the scary part is these tools are getting smarter every month. A beginner with AI can now create content faster than the someone who spent years learning editing. That's why the social media is starting to feel completely differently lately. A lot of the videos people think are made by full teams, they are now being made by one person using AI. The future of the content creation is changing very fast.